So we've got our Schaaf tool set here, a 3-piece knife carving set. Comes with this nice adhesive protective tape, which you're going to want to use to give your fingers just a little bit of extra protection while you whittle. And then I'm going to show you a little trick at the end that you can do to create some blade covers for your tools. So you want to take off a little piece here. And just wrap it around your thumb like that. Maybe a little bigger. You can cut it with a knife or some scissors, but we've got these nice sharp knives here, so you might as well use them. There you go. It's going to stick nicely. It's good for preventing blisters. This isn't going to be completely cut resistant, but it will help. You're going to want to check out the ebook and read the section on safety so you can avoid the knife slipping into your fingers even with the protection. This is just a extra safety measure here. If you carve long enough, you probably will get some cuts, nicks eventually. The first time I opened this set, I wasn't really thinking and I reached in, grabbed a knife, and cut my finger before I even started carving. So don't do that. You don't have to wrap it too tight. You don't want to lose circulation. Obviously, keep it comfortable. And there you go. That way, when you're doing some of these types of cuts like this, you don't want to keep your thumb out of the way, but let's say it does slip, you at least have a little bit of protection there. Or if you're choking up on your knife a little bit, if you're doing some detail carving, you got a little extra protection as well. You'll want to apply probably on this hand too. If you're working with something small, you know, these fingers can get in the way. So do the same thing on these fingers. Just think about what might be in the line of fire. And of course, the ideal is to keep your fingers out of the line of the trajectory of your knife there. So when you're done carving, these come off pretty easily and you can reuse them. But you can also create a little knife guard. The set does come with these little plastic guards, but they're more for protecting the knife during shipping. You'll want something a little better once you start working with the knives. See how it fits best, I think like that, and like that. And then you can go like this. And you've got yourself a little knife sheath. So yeah, this stuff's pretty handy. Again, you can reuse it on your fingers, and when you're done using it on your fingers, you can create a nice little knife sheath to protect your knives.